This is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Southern Air Transport Lockheed L-100. This model was produced by Gemini Jets in 2008, with the aircraft sporting the Southern Air Transport 1980s livery. The aircraft was powered by 4 Allison 501 turboprops, producing up to about 4,500 shaft horsepower or 3,300 kilowatts each. Each aircraft has a cargo capacity of 51,000 pounds or 23,000 kilograms. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 292 knots or 541 kilometers per hour, with a range of 1,300 nautical miles or 2,400 kilometers, with a ferry range of 4,800 nautical miles or 8,900 kilometers. This L-100 was originally delivered to Interior Airways in October of 1969 and given the registration of November 262R. In 1972, Interior Airways changed its name to Alaska International, since their routing had gone from just Alaska to include other countries. In 1984, the airline changed its name again, this time to Markair. However, the aircraft maintained its Alaska International Air livery, but the registration was changed to November 101AK. Later in 1984, the aircraft was acquired by Transamerica Airlines for service in the lower 48 states and international routes. The livery was changed to Transamerica's final livery of the 1980s, and the registration was changed to November 37ST. 3 years later, in 1987, the aircraft was transferred to Southern Air Transport, the subject of our model. The livery was changed to the silver and white livery of Southern Air Transport of the 1980s, but the registration changed yet again to November 907SJ. Come 1998, the aircraft flew to Africa to begin a career with Trans-Afrique International. Another new livery, mostly white, and another new registration, this time Sierra 9-CAX. Work was mostly supporting diamond mining in Angola and UN food supply efforts across Africa. The aircraft would end its career with Fly Safair, mostly supporting UN missions in Africa. The aircraft was with Fly Safair with the registration ZS-ORB from 2004 to 2014. After this, the aircraft was scrapped in an unknown location. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you like our videos, please check out the links seen here, pointed out by my merry pachyderm friends, and as well as a link to my channel. Thank you and good day.